Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, we're gonna be going to our first official car show of 2024. If you guys are excited, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, stay up to date with the content. I gotta go ahead and roll the car out the garage because I parked it up a little bit different. So it's gonna be kind of hard to get in. Why I did it this way, I don't know, but it is what it is. All right, let's get this cold start, man. It's probably not gonna be as loud because it's not in the garage bouncing off everything, but let's see what it sounds like. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I gotta get gas too. I didn't think I did, but I definitely am. Out here in Texas, I mean, you can see my breath. I don't know if you can on camera, but I can see my breath every time I talk, man. I moved out to get away from this nonsense, but it is January, and January is like the coldest month, at least that I've noticed here in Texas. So I'm gonna get some gas, man. We're at like a quarter tank. When it gets cold like this, it's really not a good idea to keep your car with like a quarter tank or less, especially if it's on E85. So gonna get some gas, man. Keep this thing gassed up. Act this baby up. Ah, damn, I can feel the car trying to stall out. Because it's low on gas. So let's go ahead and fill her up. Whew. Man, I tell you, in the Texas gas station, if Vets, Mustangs, Hellcats don't pull up at the same time you pumping, let's go, baby. Alright, the funny thing is, the guy in the C7 walked up, and apparently he knows a lot of people I know. Hey, for real, it's a small world out here in Texas. Everybody knows each other. It's dope, I ain't gonna lie. So I got his Instagram, and he for real had like 5-6 people that I know that I talk to on the daily. So I'm like, man, that's crazy. But we about to head out to Post Houston. I'll probably see those guys at Post Houston, to be honest with you. And the funny thing is, I think I've seen that fella before, because he said he had a black C7 before. I'm almost positive I've probably seen his car, because his Instagram handle looked familiar. Like I might have seen him like tagged and shit, but not 100% sure. But I'm gonna catch up with you guys when we get closer to the meet, because obviously I gotta be on the highway and get a bunch of highway noise. But I will keep the GoPro on deck just in case, you know, a Mopar or some shit wanna mess around.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we are here. Woo, what the hell is with all this water? Fuck that. Boy needs to get over. entirely zero parking. I'm telling you guys this right now. Damn, that's a clean GT350R. Or is it that's a GT350 with just the R wing on it. But damn, that bitch is clean. Shit. Wheels I want on it and everything. God damn. Alright, finally got in. After like 20 minutes, 20-30 minutes of finding parking. Damn, it's fucking packed. God damn. Take a look at this. That's not bad at all. 6-speed too. I'm gonna try to move around as quickly as I can because people are starting to pull out. Don't want to miss anything. So far, man, not bad for the first of the year. Turbo F-150. Looks good as hell. That bottom that thought they were going to work on them to say, get this out of my garage. And then maybe we'll have some deals out there. actually looks really nice in person.
I got home at like 8 p.m. like, fuck this shit, I'm not doing this.
This looks really, really nice in person. Another ZL1. Excuse me. It's a good turnout. So I got it here late as fuck. They got the classics too. Woo. Clean interior. You got the CG in there too. STI. Damn. Clean ass Porsche. This is pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. Nice. Get some nice stuff out today for real. Got some real nice stuff out today. I don't have space to even get over there, but Porsche on the BBS's. It's hard, man. This Porsche was slammed. Got the color changing wrap too. I have to double take this guy for a second. Turbo on it. I don't think I captured this yet. This color's amazing. I really like this color. I didn't even know this was a color. Shit. Like it looks black, probably at night, but in the sun, more like a maroon. I like it. Oh, look. This GTR is hard too. The Tial blow-up valves. Yeah, this M4 is all carboned out. Oh my dude, that's damn. Everything is carbon on this car. Shit. Nice. It's pretty badass too. I don't even know what this is, but this is sick. Yeah, Viper ACR. It's been a long time since I've seen an ACR, I ain't gonna lie. It's been such a long time since I've seen one of these. They are so nice. Beautiful. sound is. What's up, man? What's happened? Thank you. It's clean. Hell yeah. What's up? Looks good. Bad. All right, that meet was pretty good. I'm on my way back to the Casa, man. That was pretty interesting. There's a lot of unique builds, a lot more than normal. Post usually brings out some nice cars, but it was a pain in the ass to get in there, and I almost was like, it's not even worth it. I'm about to go home because of how bad it was to get in there. But I'm pretty glad I decided just to go ahead and just find some parking, even though I parked somewhere I really didn't want to park. It is what it is. Turned out, you know, to be a pretty good meet. Let me know down in the comment section what was your favorite car that was there, man. Honestly, that 400Z was pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. That 400Z was definitely something, and obviously I did like that C6 ZR1. I've seen that car a couple times. Actually, I haven't seen it in maybe about like 4 months. That guy probably stopped popping out once it started to get cold here in Texas, but decided to take it out for the first official car meet of the year. I'm really excited for next week because next week obviously we have the Cypress Cars and Coffee, and shit, there might be something tomorrow. I think honestly there might be some like clean culture joint tomorrow, which I might actually go to that. I kind of like clean culture a little bit better just because obviously parking really isn't an issue, and you get more of like that walking vibe where you're not really like compact and, you know, confined, and, you know, you're on top of people. You really can't record, or you can, but it's just kind of annoying because everybody, you know, and their mom got, you know, their fucking cameras and shit like that. You know, the kids are, you know, running around touching cars. It's like not a lot of that going on, that clean culture, so it's a lot easier to go ahead and get a vid done. But I'm gonna catch you guys I guess when I get to the house. Whew. Damn, wide open road, I want to go like so bad, but fuck that, this is not the area to be doing that stuff. Alright, so we're back in the casa. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That meet was pretty legit, and if you guys did, make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, man, and stay tuned. Next couple of videos, I got some good news for the 99. I think you guys will definitely enjoy it, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.